It's pretty good. There's an arcade inside. Already people are in actually. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna go to a meet somewhere in the city, so you know, traffic. So yeah, today we are gonna go to a motorhead meet held by Neon Market India. I'll actually put up their Instagram somewhere on the screen. They had invited me and some of the people to come there for the meet. So I'll be going there and I'll be showing you guys some bikes that might come there, and I'm pretty sure one Hayabusa is coming there. So yeah, and others like Z900s, something like that. So yeah, many bikes are gonna be there. Neon Market is like a cafe. I think I've never been there before. This is my first time. So let's see how it is. Alright. And I'm trying a new view on the GoPro, the super view. So let me know in the comments below how it is, you know, for you guys, because the motovloggers I watch mostly use this view and it's pretty good. I mean, that's what people like. So I don't know if you guys will like this, but let me know in the comments below how this view is. Alright guys, I think we're here. I'm not sure though. I think we're here. Oh, 1000R and all of that. Huh? Yeah? Just next to it?
Yeah, because everybody's parking like this.
Ah.
Just right next to it. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine.
You want to do like this?
Yeah. 1 second.
Here actually. Ready?
Yeah.
Keep it neutral.
Yeah, it's a neutral.
Just go more. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Keep it in the gear now. Yeah.
1 second.
Just let it go. Let it get locked.
Yeah. Back pain. Huh? ಮಾಡೋಣ
ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಇದೆ ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್ ನೈಸ್. Huh? Yeah, hi. My name is
Did you come after someone, like, how did you know about this?
they invited me actually.
They invited you?
Okay, yeah.
I made the poster. So this is
Oh, okay. Thank you for inviting me then.
No, of course. Sick bike, dude.
Huh?
Sick bike. Yeah.
Oh yeah, thank you man.
We're still waiting for the others to come. There's like...
Yeah, they actually went to Nandi Hills actually.
Oh,
So they are coming on the way.
10:30.
Yeah, that's what.
So they were discussing if next time we should do it 8 o'clock or 10, like what should we do? Because 8 o'clock people will be more comfortable coming in this city, especially if we have modded out exhaust and all.
I mean, there were no cops on the way, so it was fine actually.
Yeah.
But it's better.
That's something someone came
Yeah. But it's better if they come early.
There you get a free drink inside. There are people, the owners, you can sit, chill, talk to them, visit the washroom. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, please go enjoy.
Yeah, sure.
There's a washroom upstairs. Check out the food menu also.
Yeah, I'll just rep bomb a bit.
Oh,
They
yes,
were asking me that.
Yes.
Fuck it.
Let's take it easy because the residents.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's fine. Yeah.
You try?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. Yeah, that's it.
1 second. Hold it.
Just put it in the gear.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
You did?
I sold because I was planning to go to US.
Okay.
I was one of the first one to have H2 in
Uh-huh.
2016.
Okay, how much was it back then?
That time it was on road, it was around 35.
Okay.
Now, I mean,
Yeah, now
now it's a history.
I was looking for one.
Okay.
And
so
then
mine went to Kerala, then from there it went to Pune now.
no, some guy came and said, he's like, bro, this residents are there.
Oh yeah.
Keep it low. It was loud, huh?
You can.
I didn't feel anything, da.
You just blasted.
Go say, sorry.
Someone's coming.
Yeah. Huh?
Stop.
Oh, Insta.
Valkyr. VAR.
VAL KYR
RAY.
Underscore RAY.
That one, first one.
Yeah. ಯಾವುದು
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್
VAL
VAL
ಫೋನ್ ತಗೊಬನ್ನಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. VAL KYR space RAY.
Is that slow?
Thank you. See, the thing about putting sticker on bike now, look at it. Look at how beautiful it looks.
Yeah.
And you want to put a sticker on it, huh?
Oh no, I'm not selling full big and all.
No, I know, but still, I don't like that.
Like try on your this one. Swing arm.
I'll get a t-shirt, you know. Neon Market. It's pretty good actually. I've already been in. A lot of bikes have come. So, I mean, I think you guys already saw this one and the other one. And then these are the other bikes that have come here. Here some Triumphs. I think 2 Triumphs. Yeah. And then my bike. Hayabusa Z900 and 300 with an Active exhaust. I'll take you guys inside. I'll show you how it is. It's pretty good. There's an arcade inside. Already people are in actually. I'll go up. My bag is right there. My helmet. I'm wearing my helmet. And stuff. Yeah. We'll go out. We'll go up too. It's a pretty nice cafe, and then you get some clothes which you can come and buy. No, it's a good place to chill, I would say. I would buy some t-shirts and then some pants over there. This is pretty wild for me. But yeah, that's good too. All the bikes out here and stuff. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is the washroom. Look at that cat. I forgot what it's called, but I know what it is. But yeah, it's pretty cool and pretty neon lit, you know, just like their name says. There's a toilet remote. Okay, not gonna go to the mirror because you guys couldn't see my face, but that's fine. And yeah, so this is the washroom of Neon Market. Yeah. Hi. Thank you so much. Can you say about Neon Market to the people watching?
I say where these people are. People are sitting in the camera. What?
Yeah.
Inside.
Yeah.
Hi. Is it online? Right?
Yeah. No, it's not online.
Oh, okay.
It's like a vlog.
One of the reason I'm doing this because I was one of the owner of H2
Yeah.
in the initial stage.
Yeah.
Road king, so I beat myself as a biker.
Yeah.
You know, for the last what? Now it's been like 15 years now.
Yeah.
So I want to initiate this to bring people in,
Yeah.
community-wise, where people can come to a place, you know, meet each other, you know, new bikers, you know, and you know, create an awareness of like, you know, how to ride together, you know, and like creating more of like, you know, a group.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this was the first initial. You can see.
Yeah.
Expected to turn out like this, you know, so many people, but
Yeah,
now
yeah.
you know the potential where people
Yeah, the
can actually
potential.
meet, you know?
Yeah.
So we are creating one place, a beautiful place where people can come, see each other, you know, and yeah, and see how it goes.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And also we don't serve alcohol.
Yeah, that's good.
It's the best place to
To hang out.
for a breakfast.
Yeah.
So this is the first ride where it's a little late.
Yeah.
But hopefully from next time we'll
We-
start in the morning.
Okay.
8 a.m. people come in, go for a ride, come have a nice food.
We'll have a nice food. Yeah.
Go back to your life.
Yeah. Simple.
That's all about
Your name? You didn't say your name.
My name is Srijit.
Srijit. Okay.
Srijit, yeah. It was so funny when I was riding S2.
Okay.
So that bike I had to sit. So I used to go to Ahmedabad Cafe, Sicilia. So I had to like park and sit there. I can't leave that bike.
Yeah, you can't leave that bike.
That bike
And
is
it's
something
completely
easy.
chrome.
It's completely
Chrome.
So I had to just like, I'm doing like this, like a bouncer. I'm like, hey, no.
And at that time, people like they were like, they don't know what H2 is.
You're talking about 2015.
Yeah.
I was the one of the first.
One of the first.
Because
Yeah.
they launched 10 bikes.
Yeah.
So Dhoni had one.
Dhoni had one.
Every city had one, like major city.
Major
had one.
cities had
Ahmedabad
one.
had two, by the way. So me
Okay.
and one more my friend. He
Okay.
So
Okay.
we are the only people in one city had two S2. Now they don't even make it.
Yeah. Now they don't
It's
make
like
it.
all paid in full.
Yeah. You have
Make it
to.
for you, yeah.
If you want one, you have to get it imported. It
Pay,
seems.
Then they will make it.
Make it
so
one,
It takes
yeah.
time, you know. So yeah, that's some shit now.
I mean, back then nobody knew what H2 was.
Oh yeah.
They were like, "What is this bike? It looks like an alien spaceship."
I'm telling you, no matter what happens, their design,
Yeah. Nobody can-
Even they can't change.
Yeah.
They cannot come something better than that. You know, it's just it reached to that point, you know.
I mean, they made the H2R. The H2R.
But
It's not street legal. It's not street legal though.
I mean, it's a power. Bro, S2R, I was riding S2 and
Yeah.
I did so many big rides also. Bro, it's a video game.
Yeah.
It's not a bike. You're playing a video game.
Yeah.
Once you get into the zone, no, because I did this from Ahmedabad to Pune. It's 600 kilometers. Okay. So after 200-300 kilometers, your back is done. You get numb. Okay. And then you become like a bike. You're sitting on the bike. You become a bike, right? You're part of a bike. So like, bro, I was like zoom 100, 200, 200, 100, 200, 200. Like zoom, 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 zoom. Like music and like zoom, 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 zoom. Because it's right safe.
And